Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video we'll look at the phrasal verb give away and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning 1 of the phrasal verb give away is to tell information or facts that should be kept secret. Similarly, someone's face could give something away when they are trying to hide something. The criminal refuses to tell the detectives what they want to hear. You should just lock me up because I won't give anything away. They kept the birthday surprise a big secret. I'm glad we gave nothing away. It makes it all a lot more special. The child tried to hide the prank, but they got caught out. I nearly got away with it until my face gave it away. Meaning 2 of give away is to carelessly allow someone to have an advantage, usually in sports. The team were winning at half-time, but things changed in the second half. They gave away 2 silly goals, and now it's even. He was the favourite to win the tournament until he got injured. I think I would have won the gold, but the injury means I've given it away to someone else. Meaning 3 of give away is to give something as a gift or to let someone have something that you no longer need. The company needed to heavily market themselves. We are giving away 100 free products to our next 100 customers to really get our name out there. The family are really generous and thoughtful. Anything that we have to spare, we give away to the homeless. Meaning 4 of give away is to lead the bride to the groom and formally allow her to marry him. The bride is very happy on her wedding day. My dad is getting old, so I'm so happy he got to see me on my wedding day and give me away. One of the wedding guests says, I feel sorry for her. Her father isn't with us anymore, so her brother gave her away. So let's look back on what we covered. Give away can mean to tell information or facts that should be kept secret. I won't give everything away yet. I want it to be a surprise. To carelessly allow someone to have an advantage, usually in sports. He gave the game away when he got a red card. To give something as a gift or to let someone have something that you no longer need. I'm giving away 2 free tickets to tonight's concert. To lead the bride to the groom and formally allow her to marry him. I'm looking forward to giving my daughter away at her wedding when she's older. Where did you hear the phrasal verb give away? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.